Hello, friends. Generalization. Let's talk about generalizing things. Oh, the in my neighborhood we do this. In my tribe we do this. The economy is going sideways, and all that. Generalization is a trap. Refuse to be part of the general statistics. Carve out your own way. They say the path is always narrow and dark, and chances are you're going to walk it by yourself. So find that narrow path and walk it. Use whatever tools you have at your disposal to create a better life for yourself, and refuse to be part of the generalization. I'll tell you one thing. When the economy was shutting down and no one knew where to go, right, left, most of you had your jobs and had access to the internet and kept a certain, at least minimal standard of living. Were you affected? Yes. Were you affected to the detriment? Chances are no. You became creative. You reinvented yourself, rebirthed, regrew, regenerated. So refuse to be part of the statistics and generalization. You are unique and you're gifted. Talk to you soon, Mother Eagle.